In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom payment URL in Xero. This is really useful if you want your customers to pay invoices through your own checkout page, bank portal, or any external payment service that isn't directly integrated with Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a custom link attached to your invoices, making it easier and faster for your clients to pay you. First, sign into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left of the screen where you can see your profile name. Click on your profile name to open up the account menu. This is where Xero keeps a lot of your organization and user settings, so you'll probably visit this area quite often. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your organization. Give it a second to load, and once you're there, look for the option called Online Payments. This section controls how your customers can pay you when they receive your invoices. Go ahead and click on Online Payments. You'll now see a list of payment services that can be connected to Xero. Some will be well-known providers, but for this tutorial we're focusing on adding your own custom link. On this page, look for a button or link that says Add Other. Click on Add Other to open additional payment options that aren't part of the standard list. When that expands, you'll see an option called Custom Payment URL. Select Custom Payment URL to start setting up your custom link. Now you'll be taken to a screen where you need to fill in the details. Here, you'll typically enter a name for the payment service, such as online card payment or customer portal, and then paste in the exact URL where you want your customers to go when they click the payment button from their invoice. Take a moment to double check this link because this is what Xero will use every time. Once you've entered your information, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Xero will guide you through saving the new payment service and applying it to your invoice templates. When that's done, your invoices will include a clickable option that sends customers straight to your custom payment page